Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to show you how to make a no-cost stabilizer and the underguard at the rear, and also no-cost tail damper and body damper support. Okay, by using this card, and to show you how to make it. Okay, so here we insert the bushing and we put the plastic roller from the unit. Then we just using the Dremel and to trim the edges. Okay, just trim the edges and make sure you trim up and down, and also make a round shape, and to make the size is down to I will say, if using double roller, and trim it down to 11 millimeters, so that way you can make the stabilizer is works on the stabilize the 13 double rollers. Then of course you have to every time after you trim it, then you better put it on the hard surface and try to check is the size is right, and make sure the stabilizer is worked properly. And also for the other side is basically you're doing the same thing for the stabilizer, how to do it. So you just do it all over again, and to make sure the size is right as you wish. Okay, and for here, there's a lot of people using this multi-roller state to do at the back. And here I'm gonna tell you is all those two pieces that you just cut it off, you can just save that, then we can using for something else. Okay, so as you can see right now, we're gonna using that, and I'm gonna drill a countersunk holes for it. Then we're gonna using the countersunk screws, and we're gonna install the rollers. Okay, so what we're gonna do for that, here's we're gonna using that as our underguard. So this way you don't have to waste your money to get another popsicle, or either get another fully cow plate, or using whatever plate to make an underguard. So here is a free underguard that you can use and not wasting any material that you got. Okay, and here I'm gonna show you for this poly body that what we can using for, if we after we cut the body and whatever the pieces left, what can we using for. So as you can see here right now, I'm trying to measure the size, because I would like to using the extra piece at the back to using as the rear dampers. So here you can see the rear dampers, you just basically cut that extra pieces and put the damper and tied it that on the rear plate mounting point. So this way you can make that extra pieces to become a no cost tail dampers. Okay, so you don't have to spend any money, just using the extra pieces, then you can have your own tail dampers. And here you can see I have the body damper support at the bottom of the body damper, and that pieces is also from the poly body, the extra the material that we are not using it, and but you can using that as a body damper support. And this way when your car landing, then you can makes your car much more stable. Okay, so this way you don't have to spend money on those tail dampers, and also you can using the extra pieces from your poly body and to make a support for your body dampers. So that's totally no cost, and this way can save your pocket. And so this is today's video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video, okay? And if you have any question, please leave your comment and your question at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell so if I have the new video,